Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Those of you that have never subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So take a look at this GBP JPY, right? We actually had a bearish move for today, which is 28. I think we had about 170 pips. That is close to 200 pips today. We had that bearish move. So is this bearish move over? Well, I don't think so. I think a bearish move needs to drop. We still need a bearish move before we see a bullish move we show. But before we get started, let's see it from this moving average perspective. So we can see that this price was below the moving average. One of the reasons why we actually sold this, right? Now this price went up, gave us that bullish move to the extent it broke above the moving average. So you can see we actually took the buy from this level to this up, which we were able to grab about 200 pips because the price broke above our moving average and we grab about 200 pips. Now this price has broken below our 10 period moving average. So it will make sense for us to actually sell this, right? And grab at least 100 pips. So this price we want to see it drop to this level down where price has dragged to. So from here to this level, like I said, we'll be able to have like 100 pips. So that should be able to take us to the 4 hour time frame. We'll be able to understand it. But before I get started, guys, I want you to have it in mind that there will be a good amount of drop on our GBP because when you take a look at this correlation pairs, right? Be it GBP, USD, GBP card, GBP New Zealand, GBP card, GBP Swiss franc, you see that there's a good massive bullish move on this GBP pace and a correction needs to take place. Thereby, that correction needs to be bearish. So now that bearish move, right? That bearish move may actually have to occur, which means GBP will actually go bearish. Now let's see it here. We actually see this GBP, right? We see this good amount of bullish move, right? We see this bearish move on Euro to GBP. That means as Euro was dropping, we're seeing this bullish move on GBP. But also today Euro kind of went bullish. One of the reasons is that GBP actually fell to the right. So is it fall over? Well, I don't think so. When you take a look at this correlation pair, so that GBP too would be able to fall. But as at now, I don't think. I think the fall is starting, or maybe it has not yet started. But just have it in mind that a good amount of fall will happen on GBP. So stay updated. Click on the subscribe button and I'm going to update you on when to actually start selling, dropping massively on this GBP JPY. But as at now, we want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, which is 29. And for the next day, we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. We all know the rules of trading, right? Trade what you see and not what you think. So what we would see on this 4 hour time frame is this price. First of all, we want to see this trend on the 4 hour time frame. What is it? A bearish move. We can take a look at this as a lows. Here we had a pullback that failed to break this previous lows, previous level, which is previous highs or whatever. Then a new lows was made that broke this level, right? Lower lows. And guess what? A pullback was made, came to this same level. Guess what again? A drop. So this drop, we are now on a bearish move on GBP USD. GBP JPY, sorry, GBP JPY still on a bearish move. So we would want to see it drop to this same level where price has been reacting to previously. So we saw price reacted here, right? We saw a rejection at this level. This candlestick wick here. We can see a rejection at this level. This candlestick wick here where price dropped to. We will take it further down. We see a rejection at this level, right? Price came to this level, it went up. We even saw price came to this level, even broke below it. So this is still a legitimate level, right? So price kind of broke below it. So we want to drag it further down. So we would want to see this price actually drop to this same level. So that will be giving us about 100 pips. Like I just said, at least we need about 100 pips bearish move on GBPJPY. After this GBP JPY has dropped to take this lows, then maybe we can now continue our bearish move on GBP JPY or a bullish move. It depends on it. If the price continues to give us that bullish move, then I'll update you guys. We'll take this trade together. But if it continues to give us that bearish move, I'll still update you and we will take this trade together. But first of all, we want to see it drop to take out this lows here, right? So that's from this level currently to this lows. We should be making about 100 pips. You should be able to grab about 100 pips, and if possibly you don't grab 100 pips, you should be able to grab 80 pips, right? So between 80 to 100 pips, we should be able to grab on GBP JPY. So now let's see what this 1 hour time frame says. Clearly, you can see on the for 1 hour time frame. If you take a look at this movement from here, you see it. There's only one movement that is being made on this 1 hour time frame, which is sell bearish. So it will not make sense for you to actually go long or buy. The best thing is follow the trend. Trend is your friend. Place with the trend. You know, go with the trend and sell. By the way, on GBP JPY.